Let's hop into spring and make this super easy sock bunny. If you like this video or find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your family and friends. The supplies you'll need are a sock, rice, 2 rubber bands, a ribbon, scissors, a permanent marker, and a funnel or a cup to help put the rice in the sock. The first step is to fill the sock with rice. Once it's filled, use a rubber band and tightly wrap it around the top of the rice. Next, take the second rubber band and loosely wrap it around the middle to form a head and body. The third step is to make the ears. Cut a V shape into the sock so that the ears will be pointy. Next, with the marker, let's add some eyes and a mouth. The last step is to tie a bow around the neck with the ribbon. This is the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.